Welcome to Spreadsheet 1, Topic 3.2.2, Inserting and Deleting Cells. So we've seen how to insert columns and delete columns. It's also possible to do that with just cells. So for example, we highlight these three cells here. We can right-click and insert cells. If we insert cells and shift right, then that data goes to the right. We could also insert cells and shift down, moving the data down. Notice that left and above were not right and above were not options. We had to insert them on the other side. We can also delete those inserted cells, and in this case shift cells left. So these three blanks were here. We can delete the cells and shift up. It doesn't appear to have made any changes because in these cases the affected cells were empty. If we shifted up here, that 456 reappears. If we delete these cells and shift left from here, the 456 goes back to where it was.